What up guys, it's your boy Lisa. So I'm back with another video. I'm back. I always say I'm back with another video, but I'm back with part 4. You've been waiting for part 4 in BMC. Now there's a plot twist there. There's a plot twist now in everything. Remember what I told you about the PSPs and there and those decision points there and then SH again. Okay. Now there's a plot twist again. Now there's a plot twist again. So without further ado, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so that if I post another video, you will be notified. And please like that video, really like it. That's something you can give me about. Yeah. So let's start again. As you can see now, we're already wait, we were not already on something, but let me erase this thing and show apart from. I think now you know what structure breaker and everything and it. Now okay, a huge plot twist is people they draw every PSP they see. Yeah, but draw over every PSP you see. But there's a plot twist. What is that plot twist? In BMC, we don't trade imagine like mass board and she says a trader. No, we don't do that. Okay. So what is that plot twist in BMC? Okay. Remember, when the market goes up like this and it creates something like this. Yeah. High and high low again. We have higher low, higher low. What. Remember, what is this? It's an uptrend, right? It's an uptrend. Please note this. It's an uptrend again. Okay, what is this now? Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower low. What is this? A downtrend. Remember on the last video it's a downtrend. Okay, now what is this? When the market it doesn't create any high highs and high low. What is this? An indecision. Okay, it's a nigga PMC indecision. Alright. Note this. It's a nigga ngala high high na mahalo. In BMC, CTT in BMC. Especially on a higher, on an uptrend, yes, on an uptrend, uptrend. We don't do what? We enter only what? Only buys. Yeah, but we enter only buys, yes. We catch only buys. Don't catch our sales. Only buys go Sam. Okay, on a downtrend, Kazani. We enter it only sales. Only sales. My part tina sisela kuphela we only enter ama opportunities and ama sales kuphela yes. Okay. Now okay ma indecision. Because an indecision we only enter one. We don't enter. Wow. Don't enter mchana. Don't enter. Why? Because you'll be caught in buying in banner. Don't enter. Yes. Don't enter. Like what I'm saying is don't go against the trend, yes. Never go against the trend. Don't go against the trend. Ingathi market my buy when you are sell. Ingathi market my sell when you are buy. Siyenzi leyo nto nje. Siyenzi leyo. Okay. Now angithi ngikhulumile ukuthi sekutshela ngithi a huge plot twist angithi ukuthi kanje in BMC you buy and money you buy and you buy kuphi ku uptrend, you sell ku downtrend angithi. Okay. Now and people especially bantu please practice makes perfect. Okay, bugage la how, let's say bugage now, let's make this now, let's say maybe here something like this. Yeah. Okay, like it's saying like okay, you see and it's currently overall here see lena uptrend. Why high lows, high low, what high like it's going consistently up. Yes. Okay, now okay, remember a BMC trade where was it? Okay, let's say markets was somewhere around here. Like yeah, was somewhere around here. You know, we're about to go to uptrend. Let's say you draw your PSP here. This is your body. This is your PSP again. PSP. Okay. This is your structure again here. This is your structure again here. And then this is your what? This is your PSP. Now, this is your PSP. You say this is your PSP. The price game. Then let's say the market created something here. It's created something here. It's created something and dropped. Then we're not gonna say this is your decision point. This is your sell. This market must sell. Sorry. Let's say this is the when you is or sell. What do you uptrade when you're looking for sales? The market sends a nearby and Murio band there. In Murio your stop loss there on Murio band. You get you sugu loss you suit alu apeni kama high BMC the function G strategy. Here you know what we have a BMC, we have a PSP on it. Before the market, people league wait. We have a PSP on it here. Like it created something maybe around here. Create something. You move your line there. The market comes back and create and moves on it and move according to your money to your direction. It spies a little bit. You move your stop loss here. The market comes back and move your stop loss. Now it's a break-even trade. Now it enters. Now it's catching like it's trying to show that I'm trying to break down, but it must break the structure like that's the lowest structure to show that it's changing direction again. Yeah. Wait, was I? Okay, now it's trying to now go to this band is changing a trend. No, it's haven't changed the trend. When now so it's see also tie now SPSP veil. I lie here when I'm entering sale like more. What? And you remember here we broke something here. Which we have this, we have a PSP around here, right? This is our hover. Our hover here. Our hover is here. You move your line there. Even though it's gonna enter, it must enter with the candle. You move your line there. Then the market comes back, you move your structure even here again. This is your PSP. The market comes back to it, you enter buys here. You move your stop loss around here. The market buys. It goes according to a direction. You only enter buys. In an uptrend, don't enter sales, go Sam. Don't enter sales. Okay. Let's even go to one. Even on the same thing, even on the sell side. When it's selling, don't enter. When it's selling, don't enter buys. Don't go vice versa. We are vice versa. And wait again. You see on a market like this. Market like this. What is this market doing? It's an indecision, right? People be like, man, umuntu amurinangla. Ati PSP le umuntu. Yeah, about market with this. The market immediately constantly. There's no uptrend and downtrend. Ati umuntu like funny with decision point la. Yes. If you market la, if you le nanga decision point yakhe imuri. Can't imuri ephezulu umuntu. PZ. Umuntu abhize catch akmanje ma small buys and ban. We don't trade in ban. We don't trade in ban in indecision, like in consolidation, but in consolidation. I'm a price action traders. We don't trade in an indecision. Yes. Even sell side, you know what? Okay, if it's like this, maybe I see more something like this, and yeah, it drops. It drops. Yeah, it drops. And yeah. You know, we can use Muro and PSP. I might create something like this. The price must come back to a decision point. You only enter sales. Enter sales only, guys. Sales only. When the market is in a downtrend. Yes. Okay, let's show this on the market because you don't go against that trend again. Okay, let's view the price. Wait. Yeah. We're gonna try to ban. I'm gonna try to clarify here to show you. You don't go against the ban. Okay, we're gonna take this one. Yeah, it's AUD USD. I've just banned. Okay, so let's say here, remember, draw a structure. This is your structure. This is the structure. Before anything, you see what the market is in an uptrend, right? It's going up. The market is going up. When people will draw PSP around here and say PSP, and then the price comes back, and then Murder said, "What are you doing?" Yeah, man. Okay, this is our structure, right? I might not be banned, yes. Might not be perfect, yes. Yeah, might not be perfect. Oh, it's a notification. Might not be perfect. Okay. Then the market, let's see what will happen. Okay. We're waiting. Boom! It breaks your ban again. breaks your structure again. Something was broken here. Okay, where's your hover around here? You move your decision point there. We are looking for pies on it. Remember, we're looking for pies, my chick. Looking for pies. This is your now the structure is not a structure anymore. It's a decision point. It's a decision point. Hey man, says decision point PSP. Ay bo, do you want decision point they can't? Okay. We're using a 15-minute time frame. This is your DP, right? This is your structure around here. This is your structure around here. This is your structure. Yeah. This is your structure. This is your structure, right? Okay. Then the market. Let's wait. You remember, you wait for the market to reach your decision point again. Don't want to force things. Don't force things. Don't force things here in BMC. Okay. You wait. Boom. Wait. We would have entered here. I mean, entered here and put here. Our sell must be around here. I mean. I want fast today. And our TP must be in this high. I mean. Then move your structure there again. You move your structure there again. Like you are trying to ban. You move your structure again here. You see, this is your PSP, right? PSP, right? Okay. Man, this is not your PSP. This is your structure, man. Because it's gonna be in PSP, because it's gonna be broken. Yeah, we go. Then boom. What now? You're now it. Our TP was it again. Then now this is your decision point again. Decision point. This is your decision point. Try to go lower on a decision point. Now this is your PSP on it. You want a trade now. You are going according to a what? According to a what? A market structure, man. I wasn't guess. But this is your DP, right? Okay, you wait for the market to enter your DP. You wait, guys. You wait. Boom, enter your decision point. You go for longs again. Go for longs. Here, you will have entered here. Then here's your structure. The market must ban. The market must reach this band. Remember, those structures here, those lower structures, they are not broken yet. They are not broken yet. Again. Now you move your one. This is your decision point again. This is your band, your target here. Target is your door. Your target is your structure there. Okay, you wait. Okay, now it's creating something. Boom, our TP was hit. Okay, now what is this again? A weak band, a weak structure break. Why? Because it broke with a weak. Now this is a weak structure break. I didn't even see what. I almost forgot about a weak structure break. So it doesn't happen more often now. Wait, what the fuck is happening with? No, man, it's the language. Why doesn't anyone add any text? Okay, weak structure break. Okay, this video is gonna be long though. But yeah, remember something happened here. Here. Because the price, remember, it broke with the week and came back to the decision point. It have bought here again. Like you are trying to grow an account. Remember, we use risk management. You're trying to grow an account. To grow your account, man. This will be your SL here. Yeah. Then you move your band. Then the trade goes that. Boom, our TP hit. Then even here again now, okay. Even here, you know, this thing and it ban. This was a weak ban. Then after it broke, and this is your PSP, small PSP here, your decision point here, and then your target there. You should have entered even buys there. Like you're still and it's going according to the ban. According to your risk tolerance, risk management, more like risk management. Okay, what's happened? Your trade it goes ban. More it's hit an SL, but it will be a break-even trade. Now it's showing what something changed. Like here is our lowest. Here is our structure there. Here's our structure there. It was broken, right? The structure was broken. It didn't break apart, which meaning that it's not a trade. It's not. I would man say a change. I saw now. Linda to see what will happen. Linda. Now you now get silence about okay with the other. What is happening currently, March? What is happening? Wait, and it's people be like, maybe it was creating something here. Okay, now it created something there. This is our PSP, right? Our decision point is around there, right? A good sometimes it's gonna be hard to ban decision point. Like the more the ban, the more the decision point. Okay, if you need to be hit because your decision point, book I mean I made the wrong decision point. decision point was here before it breaks. What did it? What happened? It came back to and bought. Now this is your ban. Like you will keep winning trades, especially if you go against the trend. But now look, let's see what will happen. Like boga now, boga. What is happening current? What is this? The market has not decided. Like it's because don't enter anything. People will be like, you'll say when this is a PSP there, and then this is your decision point there. And then the market what will do? The market will come back to a ban. And the market will come back to a decision point and sell and be like, I'm going to trade. Boom, SL hits. How umuntu? Now you wait for the market. You see what's creating something. It's consolidating. Now it broke the structure. Now, even though just wait for a ban, something solid ban. Yeah, but like you see even here you'll be like, it broke the structure. What did it break the structure with? It break with a week. Like it's showing it's not doesn't want to break. If it breaks fully like this, you know what's going to okay, Louis. Okay, this is why I'm drawing PSP ngalento le. Okay, now we are also okay. Now we get the market progress. We are changing the structure again now. We are changing the structure. This is your PSP now. Remember, this here is our ban. Here is our hover as around here. Don't trade hover if you're not experienced with it. Don't trade in your hover. Here's your ban. There. You wait for the market to come to decision point. Boom, it entered. Then you see, even me, I make mistake. A hover, this is not a hover. A hover, it's something when it's be like this. A hover was around here. You see, when it comes to making mistakes, I do make mistakes, man. Because no one is perfect. This is your hover there. Your hover is bad. I forgot now. I forecast on the ban, on these weeks. I didn't honestly I didn't see it. But yeah, just continue. This is your decision point. You have sold there again. Now entering sales here. Entering sales. I do make mistakes, especially I haven't perfected it, yes. Because even now I keep practicing now. You have sold here, and this is your targets around here. Your structure there again. This will be your structure. This thing of I must buy a mouse because I call using a mouse pad. Okay. Now you would have ban. Boom, your TP hit. Okay. Here now it came back, yes. It came back to your ban. This is your ban. This is your hover. It's around here your hover. And it did break and came back to your ban. And it's going back there. And saying boom and sold again. You should have entered there and sold. Look like BMC, like don't go against the trend. Don't go against the trend, Kosam. Don't ever go against the trend. Don't ever go against the trend. Ngacela Nkosam, ngacela Thixo baba. Ngacela Thixo baba. Even here, this is our half, because now we were done. Even this is our half, which meaning you say Monday it's gonna sell. We're not going against the trend. Monday it's selling very obvious. It's gonna sell. The AUD is gonna sell. Monday is gonna. Here is our decision point. We are going against the trend. We are not going against the trend. We are going like according to the trend, because it's selling now. It's selling. That is a sell. Simple. So don't follow. This is part 4. I was talking about, because I was specifying, because people they draw every PSP they see. PSP decision point. Even don't do that, Timchan. Okay, so I'm done with part 4. Now we are going to the main event. Yes, main event again. Now it's time for you to grow again, man. The real side to go for. Now you have a strategy. Now you are as forex, you have a strategy. Now let's focus on magic. What's the money? Yes, making money. How do we make money in the forex market? So we're gonna go risk management. We're gonna psychology. So we are in the long videos. For now, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so that if I post another video, you'll be notified by YouTube. And can you share the video? It's why share my video. That's helping me too. It's going to motivate. It's okay. Let me keep going. Yeah. So thank you, especially if you watch this video to the end. I promise you. Trust me. So thank you.